Late Night with Seth Meyers.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining us here at the 6 o'clock news. Once this warm front moved on through, I mean, the snow didn't last very long, did it? I mean, we're seeing grass where we hadn't seen grass in quite a long time. That's the good news. And then followed the rain. And it's still here. Looking at Sky Tracker right now, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Fortunately, some of the counties up to our north and to our east are just starting to get out of it as this system moves off to the east. And that will continue to do so through the evening hours tonight. The good news is we're going to dry things off. The not so good news is we're also going to drop the temperature down pretty dramatically compared to what we had today. Here's this conveyor belt of moisture moving up out of the Gulf. It's been giving us all this rain today. As this system moves off, we're going to have some clearing skies. First, we'll have a cold front move through overnight tonight and high pressure right behind that. That'll really dry us out for tomorrow and also into Wednesday. Then another system moves in. We'll talk about that in my 7-day forecast coming up. But here's, again, a better look at this system moving through the area. You can tell it's starting to move off to the east. Beyond that, we have some clearing skies. Then we'll start to cloud up again tomorrow for a brief bit. And because of some of this cold air moving in, it kind of clashing with this moist air, keep us some cloudy skies. A little bit of sun tomorrow as well. We're at 50 degrees, still hanging in there. And the cold air I'm talking about, however, is out to the north. This Canadian cold front moving into our area. Minneapolis at 19, Bismarck at 14, with a lot of snow up in that area, too, over the Christmas weekend. So tough traveling up in that area for the folks there. 69 in Columbus right now, 63 in Cincinnati. The cold air, it's out there. You look at the Minneapolis at 19 degrees and Sioux Falls at 23 degrees. Also one of the places where they got a lot of snow to clean up from a dump over the weekend. Again, we're 17 degrees. I know that sounds strange. At December 26th, we're 17 degrees actually warmer than we were 24 hours ago. There's the cold air moving our direction out from the west and from the northwest as well. Now, as we look at temperatures around the area, again, it's still warmer down to our east and down to our south. Some of that cold air, or warm air rather, still filtering up. But you can see some of the cold air starting to move into our area right now. You see Hillsdale at 45, Adrian 48, and Pioneer right now at 49 degrees. So it's starting to affect us ever so slowly. Futurecast going to clear things off for a bit tonight as we get into tomorrow. Some clouds, some sun as that cold front moves on through, mainly cloud cover. But as we get into Wednesday morning, Wednesday afternoon, we'll start to clear things up just a bit as high pressure rolls on through. Although it's not going to hang around very long as we start to cloud things up overnight Wednesday with a chance for a couple of snow showers as well as we get to overnight on Wednesday as well. So as we look at temperatures right now, we're at 50 degrees. Yeah, still pretty breezy out there. West-south winds at 20 miles per hour. Humidity, of course, you would expect it to be up there with all the shower activity around the area. Tonight, I know, significant drop-off tonight. We're talking like 30 degrees. 31 tonight for an overnight low. Showers will start to end over the next hour or so with decreasing clouds. We're going to keep that wind, however, out of the west at 15 to 20 miles per hour. 34 degrees as we look at tomorrow, so it's not going to heat up a whole lot, although we'll have a bit of sunshine here and there. Quite a bit of cloud cover as well. Again, I keep that wind up a little bit, 10 to 15 out of the west. The 7-day forecast, of course, we want to look ahead as we look at Saturday night. New Year's Eve, and we're looking at some snow showers moving into the area overnight on Saturday night for New Year's Eve, Christy. But as we get overnight, we'll start to bring a high-pressure system in for New Year's Day. The way it looks now, it's out there a ways, but it looks like we will have some sunshine as we get into a New Year's Day in particular.
So not too bad of a week ahead for us.
No, it's not too bad. I mean, we were just way above. We're just hugely above where we should be today as far as temp goes. So we're back to where we should be starting tomorrow.
All right, and still not bitter cold, so we can live with this.
Yeah.
All right, thank you, Bruce. Officials in Michigan say it will take